Hello and welcome to MBO. Today I'm gonna introduce to you the most automatic folding machine in the world, our K8i. For the first time ever, we have automated pallet alignment for smooth and jam-free in-feed. In addition, the new K8i has an automated paper format adjustment. Of course, an automated machine has a beautiful touch panel like this. From here you can operate all the automatic settings. But even better, if the machine is connected to the data manager, we can input all the job settings automatically. Here we have the twin suction belt for more power, for thicker or slippery paper types. The alignment table will adjust itself automatically to the paper size. If you follow the alignment table, you come to the heart of the K8i, the folding unit. Right here you can choose between 4 or 6 bucket plates. Now we have the KPL with a knife, another bucket plate and a knife right here. The folding knife is manufactured out of carbon fiber and can produce up to 35,000 sheets an hour. In an unlikely event of a misfolded sheet, the machine ejects automatically without disrupting the process. Fully automated setup with the paper stop, length of the folding knife and the holding wheels. This is the slitter shaft cassette for quick preparation sandwiches. Third, a lot of MBO users already know this setup, but the K8i has another one right here. The extra slitter shaft cassette allows a quick changeover with leather stretch or perfect quality product. It's normal for folding rollers to pick up ink over time. However, MBO allows easy access for maintenance and cleaning. This setup here with the K8i, the A80, the turning station and the combo sack have the highest level of automation in the industry.